The engineers do all their analysis and they say it's going to be okay, but the first time you watch it take off, you can't help but feel like, oh, is it going to be okay? We're really excited about what we're going to do. There might be a little bit of nervousness of just, it better go good.
Airspeed's increasing. Okay, rotate to 10 degrees.
The takeoff, a lot of people are watching. I care a lot more about the landings because that's the more difficult process.
First flight was amazing and nerve-wracking. The whole purpose to fly the airplane was to get enough handling qualities data to let the pilots fly it enough so that they had the confidence to land.
The landing was where I was just relieved. We had it on the ground in Mojave. That first flight was a great day.
After it landed, it was really rewarding to know that we had started with a napkin and built an airplane.